मैं करने वाला हूँ 2025 का सबसे बड़ा गिव अवे मोस्ट अवॉर्डेड फोन Xiaomi Phone 2 Pro।
तू कभी नहीं बन पाएगा यूट्यूबर।
At the end of 2025, which nothing phone would you pick as your favorite and why?
हाँ there's a lot of nothing devices that exist in the world, but my favorite is the headphone one. If I had to choose one, boom, it glows in the dark.
That's the only reason.
That's the only reason. It glows in the dark. A phone that glows in the dark with the kind of history and the legacy behind it. Like, the community has designed it, they've made it, nothing has made it happen.
Is that also your current phone?
Yes, I wanted a phone that glows in the dark. I got a phone that glows in the dark.
But other nothing phones have glyph on it and they glow even when it's bright.
It glows in the dark.
The first ever colorful smartphone. So after seeing a lot of blacks and whites and grays, this had some pop of color. That's why it has a special place in my heart.
Who won one? Phone 2A is by far my favorite phone. The in-hand feel of the phone and the size, the form factor. I think I've got really small hands and this just fits perfectly.
Phone 3A Community Edition. I am a 90s girl. This is also very close to what the ethos of Nothing is community, and I seldomly see brands who do that. I love it. I wanted to use it, but I lost the one opportunity to buy it, so I'm trying to see how I can get my hands on it now.
Number one will be Phone 3A Blue. For me, wherever you go, if you place it on the table, it instantly looks like a Nothing phone. So definitely has to be the blue variant of Nothing Phone 3A for me.
CMF Phone 1. Really like the design and how you could basically accessorize and of course change it according to your mood and your personality. My number one pick would be Nothing Phone 3. I think with Nothing phones across the segment, what Nothing does really well is sort of give its phones some bit of personality. Also, this was the phone that introduced Playground, which was very well received by the community. A lot of people who don't even know how to code, gone on to the website, they've started making their own widgets. Of late, I started watching F1. I came across this widget that tells you about F1 races, like upcoming races, tracks. I find that pretty cool.
The first one would be a very special phone to me, which is the Nothing Phone 1. This is where it all started and this is where I started to know about Nothing as a brand, and this is the first phone which I owned from Nothing.
This is my first pick, right? It's 3A Pro.
It's 3A Pro.
It's 3A Pro. It's one of the biggest phones we offer, like the biggest. I have used like phone 3 now. I'm using phone 3 now, but someone stole it in London. So that's sad. Designed in London, stolen in London. Good camera and overall good value. The best value for money.
I actually want to drop an unpopular answer. I really like phone 3A Lite. It's got just like nothing going on at the back. And I think I really like clean design. If you ask me to pick a color, I think blue would be it. Put together with the clean back, would love to hold this in my hand and it feels good for some reason. Also really like the phone 3.
What's so nothing about it?
Everything is nothing about it. I think it's so bizarre. In one glance, you can tell, okay, that's a product by somebody who's obsessed with design. I've read it somewhere that if you look at good design, it should make you feel something and gets you talking. So every time I went to a party, showed people that this phone has an 8-ball behind it, people were really like dumbstruck that, oh my God, your phone can do that?
Yes. Because it's glow in the dark and it's beautiful. And I didn't get it when I requested one.